Hey guys, so I decided to film a collective haul today because I've accumulated a lot of crap that I bought. I don't mean crap by like junk, but I buy stuff that I like and I want to show you guys because I don't know, maybe you want to buy stuff at the store and you're thinking, what should I buy? What would Annette buy? So I want to show you guys all the stuff that I got. So anyways, first things first, I went to Dollar Tree, sorry, and got some stuff. First thing I got cotton rounds, cause they're $1. Why spend $1.99, $2.99, $3.99 for cotton? I think it's pointless to spend so much money on cotton rounds. Yes, I need them all the time, so the dollar store is good for me. I buy sometimes two or three at a time because I need them for my nails, for pretty much anything. So that's that. The next thing is nail polish remover. It's a must. Yes, I know you can get this other places for cheaper, but I was at the dollar store, so I got it there. It's a no-name brand, but it has acetone in it, and it does the job. So, yeah. I also got a couple of these in different. I think I got them one in lemon and one in strawberry, but I can't find it. But these are awesome. They're gonna be in one of my videos. I'm gonna talk about it. So, yeah, look out for that. The next thing that I got were these makeup wipes, and they weren't too shabby. Usually, I go for the simple ones or the Neutrogena, but I ran out and I needed some, and the dollar store had these. They had another pack, and I've tried those before, but they were really like tough on my skin. These weren't too bad, and they didn't sting, so that's a plus. So yeah, makeup wipes for $1. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, and I got one of these things, and it killed me when I seen it because I got one of these for at Five Below for $2, and they had a whole bunch of these for $1. So these are awesome. This is to make your own hair bun. I really want to do a tutorial on this, but I haven't quite yet got the how I'm gonna film it down yet. So maybe you'll see it in the future. So yeah. And then I got a bunch of these mask thingies because I looked them up online and I seen that they retail for like $2.99, and they're like a Korean brand, and it says like no parabens in it, and they had lots of great stuff. What I seen, the ingredients, and people say they're pretty good. I've used this one already and I like it. I'm not crazy about it because does have aloe vera, so aloe vera tends to feel a little bit sticky after you use it. Like, you know, Latinos, they use aloe vera for like everything, for throat aches and all sorts of stuff. It's good for clearing scars and soothing the skin, but it leaves like a sticky texture. So that's the only thing that I didn't like about this one. Maybe these will be different because they don't say it has aloe vera in it. Like this one is like a green tea one, and it says for firmness and elasticity. This one is for tightening and lifting, and it has rose in it, it says. And this one says it has vitamin C and it's for brightening and moisturizing. So I'm guessing it has something like lemon. But they all say they have vitamin E and green tea in the back of them. And yeah, this one was for hydration and sensitive skin. So my skin was feeling super sensitive, and after I used this, it wasn't anymore. So I guess it did work, But I guess I'm gonna wait till time and see how they work out for me, and then I'll let you guys know, if you should like really pick them up. But for now, it's in my haul because I got it. But anyways, oh yeah, and then I seen a bunch of Milani nail polishes. Now, if you don't know, these retail for I think like $4.99, and they had a bunch of great colors that I think that would be great for fall. This one I halfway opened. I didn't use it yet, but it's like kind of like a maroonish color. It's like a shimmery, so I thought that would be nice for fall. This one is just like a regular cream nude. It says pearl glaze. Oh, this one is called Grand Canyon Sunset. This one is called pearl glaze. Sorry if I'm making a lot of noise. Pearl glaze, and it's kind of like a pearl iridescence in it. I think it needs to be shaken up good. But yeah. That's nice. And this one is like a deep plum color. And I thought these were perfect for fall. Radiant Ruby. And that's what that one looks like. But yeah, I thought they would be awesome. And of course I got another backup because for $1, come on, of Rise and Shine. It's the nail polish I have on. I put a top coat on this one. It's usually very matte, but I thought it kind of matched my shirt a little, so love this color. It's my favorite. Sorry, I'm looking at the time, seeing how long it's taking. And then I also bought like alcohol so I can, clean my area with alcohol and baby powder, because who doesn't love baby powder? Alright, and the next thing, I went shopping online and I found out that Urban Decay, they had like a sale at Sephora. So online I got this kit. It's a deluxe shadow box. I don't know what else it's called, but I don't have anything Urban Decay, so I heard of their eyeshadows. I thought it would be amazing, and I can't wait to use this. Oh, look, it's making noise. It's like a velvet case. It's so awesome, and it has all these awesome colors in it. I was like, oh, I can't wait to try this out. And it's like a magnetic top, and it comes like this. And it also came with a little mini sample of the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm like really excited to try this out. I hear a lot about it on YouTube, and I've never tried it before. Me with my e.l.f. one, because everybody says the e.l.f. one compares to it, but I'm gonna try it out and see if it really does. But I just was like sold on these amazing colors, because first off, I love the color green, I love the color like teal, and then these purples. Come on, these colors look just amazing. I don't know if you guys could see that well, if this camera even focuses right, but yeah, I can't wait to do future tutorials with that. And I also got this kit, Shimmer the Night Away. I actually got this from Walgreens. Cut that. I didn't get it from Sephora. I got this from Walgreens. And I just thought it was a beautiful palette because it's got a lot of nice colors. And I've heard so much about Wet n Wild. I think I have a couple of more other things of Wet n Wild. I know I have like a Fergie set or something like that. So I really want to try this out and see how that works out. I think I've used one of the colors before, actually. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it's a pretty palette. Very nice colors, and yeah. And the next things that I have are these nail polishes, because I got them from Wet n Wild. They send them to me to try them out. They sent them to me via my delivery boy, which is my fiance. He delivers in downtown, and he told them that I do YouTube channels, that I have a YouTube channel, and I talk to you guys or whatever, and they were like, here, give her these and tell her to try them out and see how she likes them. So I will definitely review them and, tell you how they are. This one is called Private Viewing, and it's like a nude color. I think this is one of their newer nail polishes, so I guess the formula is different. It's a Mega Last, so yeah. And this one is Through the Grapevine, and I like this one a lot. I think it's really, really, really pretty. It's like a nice, like, pinky purple kind of. And, oh, excuse me. I'm sick and I'm drinking tea and I'm burping. Well, and this one's called On a Trip, and it's a nice, pretty purple. And one thing that I really did like is on the top it shows how the brush is. You know how sometimes you get a nail polish and then you go, put on the nail polish, and like the brush is crappy. It's either too small, it doesn't put enough, or it's like too big. But this one, these are a lot like the Sally ones that I showed you guys that are like flat. I have a video where I have a haul of the Sally Hansen nail polishes, and this tip is exactly like those, where it's flat and then it's got like a round tip, so it fits perfectly around like the cuticle area. It's not flat on the top, it just goes around enough so that it goes on the cuticle area nice. I'm sorry if I flipped you guys off, But yeah, I thought that that was amazing in itself. So yeah, I really like nail polishes like that. So anyways, that's everything that I got, and yeah, I think that's everything. Oh yeah, and I got these candles. I don't know if you guys could see them. I got these candles from the dollar store. Um, they don't really smell all that. But they're pretty. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe, and yeah, I guess that's it. If you guys have any more video suggestions, let me know. I know some girls are telling me they wanted me to do lipstick videos, like different color lipsticks that I like, and I know more tutorials. Obviously everybody loves tutorials. And yeah, there's a lot of video ideas that I do have coming, but I do like suggestions from you guys. And I guess that's it. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And I love you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Oh, and I got more announcements coming up very soon. Okay, bye.